So we're located in beautiful Southern California in Solana Beach, just north of San Diego. I have a quilt and fiber studio called Starry Night Hollow, and we teach classes and have an assortment of wonderful products, including our wonderful threads. And I would love for you to come and visit us and see what we do. We can also be found at www.starrynighthollow.com. It is a web store, and it does have samples and patterns of just about everything you've seen today. And we can be found on Facebook at Starry Night Hollow or Kimberly Rado, and Instagram at Starry Night Hollow or Kimberly Rado.